Hi guys, welcome to Other Legacy Farm. Today we are going to be doing, we're going to be canning some chili beans. I have never done this before. Memo brought this up and I was like, oh yeah, let's do it. So.
And when you can the chili beans, or you can can chili with beans, or you can can chili with meat, but you can't can chili with the beans and the meat.
Yeah.
Because it's a density. And it is pressure canned because it's a low acid food. And then Claire is canning it because she likes beans in hers.
But my fiance Eric does not. So we're gonna do the chili with meats, and I'll just add my own beans.
Okay, so first we're gonna start.
So Eric needs to man up.
Yes, Eric.
So what we're going to do is, it's called a quick soak. You can soak them overnight, or you boil them for 2 minutes, take it off the heat and let it sit for an hour, drain it, and then you boil it for 30 minutes. And then we'll mix up in the jars and put it in the canner.
Yep.
This recipe called for 3 pounds of beans, but with shrinkflation, these were only 12. Yeah, I had one that was 16 ounce, and these are 12 ounce. But it's okay because you do each jar individually.
Yeah.
So we'll put these in and get them on to boil, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. The beans boiled for 2 minutes, sat for an hour, drained them, and then boiled them for 30 minutes. We've got all of our ingredients out here. The recipe called for a 1/4 teaspoon of tomato sauce and the rest water, but we're going to use all tomato juice. We've got salt, chili powder, garlic, onion, black pepper. So what we'll do, we add 3 cups of beans to each jar.
Oh, up here.
Yeah. That's hot. Okay, and then we'll add 1 teaspoon of onions, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, I had them set out for you. And 2 teaspoons of chili powder.
Why does your teaspoon look bigger than mine?
Maybe yours is deeper. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt.
Is she hugging you?
Yeah, my legs. And a
1 teaspoon of salt?
Yeah. A 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you'll fill it up with tomato juice. And then we'll pressure can them for 90 minutes.
How much pepper did you put in?
1 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you maybe have learned something. We thank you for hanging out with us. Till the next time. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, share, and comment.
And subscribe.
So, from Mammal,
Mom, and Minnie. Can you give Memo a kissy?
you just,
Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Paisley, bye-bye.